Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purposes only.
Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up the camera hack bot. So let's get started. First, open your preferred browser, then go to the search bar and type nxcreate.com to visit the website. Here you need to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. In my case, I'm logging into my existing account. After logging in, navigate to the website's menu. From there, click on the store option. In the store, you'll see the camera hack bot. Click on the clone button next to it. After cloning, you'll find cam hack on your homepage. Click on it to access it. Once inside cam hack, go to the settings option. Here you'll need to create a Telegram bot. Go to Telegram, create a new bot, and copy the bot token provided. Paste this token into the settings section of cam hack. If everything is set correctly, click the activate button. That's it, your setup is complete. Now you can use the camera hack bot just like I do. Nothing much, just start your bot, generate cam hack URL after the URL is generated. Send the link to your victim. If he opens it, it will show a page like this, and if he grants the permission, then the victim's screenshot along with the IP address will be sent to your Telegram bot. I hope by following these steps, you can easily set up the camera hack bot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks and see you in the next video.